Hi everyone, welcome today in the additional in today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 23rd, 2020. In this additional we have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a tectonic, and a binary. So total of 5 Sudokus, and the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started. Alright, before I start, I always count the digits, how many there are printed in this puzzle. So we have here 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, 16, 18, 20, 23, plus 4 is 27. 27 digits are printed. 23. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 9 in the last row, a 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then we have an 8 in this row, and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 is here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. A 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then we have 4 missing numbers in the first big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then how about the number well, these numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 6, and I can't do anything because I need more information. 1, 5, 6. How about The 5 in this column, the 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 5 should be here. Yes, because I have a 5 in one of these 3 boxes. There's a 5 in the first column, first row, 5 in the second row in one of these 3 boxes. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 1? I need a 1 in the last column, one of the missing number. We see here a 1, so no 1 there. Here a 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. This should be supposed to be also a 1 because we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 1. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are missing. I think I need to mark them because those are pairs in a big square. It's easier to follow. 6, 7, that means the 3 are missing, the 2 are missing, and 2, 3, and the 9. I see here 9 and a 3, so no 9 and a 3 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 2. We have a 9 and a 3 here. Oh, I see here a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 7. I mark them again. Oh, I made a mistake here. It's not 5 and a 2. I made a mistake. It's not the 6 and the 7. We already have a 7. 6 and the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9 are missing. Wow, what a mistake I have made. So 6 and the 9, the 7 should be here. We have a 7 there. So the 9 and the 2. No, we have a 9 there. The 2 and the The 2 and the 3 are missing. We have a 2 here, so this should be a 2. Wow, what a mistake, sir. What a mistake. 2. This is a 2. This is 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. So this is a 2, 3. Double check it. Yes, almost made the mistake. Almost. That means these two numbers are the numbers 2 and the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6 are missing. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 6 goes there. These two numbers 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. I need to correct these with the other color. This is a 2, 2, 2, 2. This is a 3, 3. This is 7. Alright. No mistakes anymore. How about these 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. Well, I cannot do anything. 8. Need more information. These two numbers, the 4 and the 6 are missing. 4. I think I need to mark them 4 and 6. How about the other 3 numbers? 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in this column we have the 3 here. 2 numbers left, 8 and 7 are missing here. 8 and 7. That means 1 digit left in this column should be the number 4. These 2 numbers left for the number 6 and 7 also appear. These 3 numbers, the 1, the 4 and the 6. 1, 4, 6. No, I cannot do anything. 4 numbers left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. These 3 numbers are the numbers 3, 4, and 8. 3, 4, 8. I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 4 and 8 are missing. I mark them again because it's up here in this big square. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 6 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5, I mark them again. 6 and 5. How about these 2 numbers in this column for the numbers 4 and 8, I believe. 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 7. These 3 numbers are the numbers 3, 2, and 7. I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 7. And the 3 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 here are there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. This should be the 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And how about these numbers? Can I fill this? Yes, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. This should be the 8. We have an 8 now, so this cannot be an 8. This should be the 8, and this should be the 7. Finishing 16 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? A thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper. So see you later. Bye bye for now.